Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics, mobile data turned on and the correct SIM active. Open Settings, then tap SIM cards and mobile networks to access usage controls. Look for data usage or mobile data usage immediately. This is where Xiaomi collects per app and total consumption. Once done, set the billing cycle or custom date range to match your carrier statement so the numbers align. Make sure to note whether you want cellular only or cellular plus Wi-Fi combined before proceeding. Now inspect granular details. In data usage, tap mobile data usage to see total consumption and a ranked list of apps. Select any app to reveal foreground versus background data and session timestamps so you understand when heavy transfers occur. Once you identify a top consumer, toggle its background data or restrict it temporarily to test impact. Make sure to switch date ranges to compare today, last 7 days, or your billing cycle so patterns become obvious and actionable. Finish by enforcing thresholds. Enable data warning and data limit inside the data usage screen, set values matching your plan, and toggle restrict background data for heavy apps to conserve MBs. Once limits are set, monitor notifications and adjust as needed. This prevents surprise charges. If reported usage differs from your carrier, reboot the phone, verify SIM settings, and check carrier app or web portal for their measurement method. If discrepancies persist, contact carrier support with timestamps and app-level screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.